Good afternoon. I'm Phillip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. Give me your midday metals market minute for Monday, November 8th. It's 11:30 a.m. Central Time. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, you like what you see, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Help us grow our channel. And if you need additional information on futures and commodities, go to bluelinefutures.com. You'll see that we've got a free 2-week trial of the Blue Line Express. That's our flagship report. And then also you could subscribe to our other reports, the Grain Express, the FX Rundown, Livestock Roundup. Look at some of our additional videos that we put out throughout the day. And if you like softs or bonds, we've got you covered over there. Looking at the Morning Express, here's today's report where you've got a few different charts that we're highlighting here, as well as some actionable analysis below and some key things to look out. Also on our blog website, we've got a wealth of information. Again, all this is free to the viewer here and the subscriber. You'll be able to see the Livestock Roundup, the Grain Express, and some of the other different reports that we're putting out. But most importantly, I want to dig into the precious metals. That's where my primary focus is right now, because I think we're getting right on the verge of something major. So looking at the gold market here, gold, we've come up to this level several times over the past few months, really since July, and it was that big breakdown here, that the announcement that the Fed was potentially, possibly going to taper. We saw this big sell-off, and we've got this downward trend line sloping resistance. Now, if you could see, every time we've come right back up to this level here, it seems like they put the screws on us. Something comes out, some catalyst or some narrative that's Fed-driven that drives us lower. Well, the big thing is that taper talk, that's behind us, and they've even been more aggressive. They're coming out saying that they're going to raise 2 interest rate hikes in 2022, maybe 4 interest rates in 2023, and they might taper, even get that done before June. And where's gold? Gold right now, we're shooting back on up. We're right at about 1825. So we've got to chew through this little bit of overhead resistance, and I really think that it could open up the screws and the doors for gold to move higher. So the other metal that we're watching, silver. Silver's a little bit more constructive on its charts. We've got this head and shoulders pattern. It's an upside down one. We've been talking about it on the Morning Express. We'd love to get you that free trial on it. So look at this levels right here. We've come down. We broke off. This was the big washout low, and it happened on a Sunday night. So really interesting. Since then, we've been building up, and we need to get this breakthrough. We got to come right back up over $25. We break out over there, you bet the Reddit army and everyone's going to come out talking about gold and silver and it being a new potential squeeze play. Another market we're watching, and this has been the one that I've been watching the fundamentals on mostly, but it does have this cup and handle pattern right here, is the platinum market. Steep downtrend. These are all the auto assemblies continuing to shut down. And what happens there is that you see, with no new autos being built or coming to the assembly line, they shut down that production. All those auto manufacturers cancel any deliveries for platinum that they're looking at taking. As we recover this chip shortage, we break through it, you should see platinum demand take off again. And I think that's what the market's anticipating. Look for a potential breakout over 1060 to 1075. We get through there, it's going to be another one of these markets where everyone's chasing to try and get up on. Copper is the other one, very connected to the Chinese economy. The thing that I'm watching on this 50% retracement. We went just below it on a big washout. Really, it was China. Big slowdown. They got a lot of stagflation going on there. Their growth's been dramatically hit. They got some resurgence of COVID. It's about 800 cases, and it's starting to grab some headlines. You know, people panic. They fear for the worst, and that was this big sell-off we've got here in copper. Now we're basing out. We got a 2-day uptrend. We got to chew through this 38% retracement resistance, and then I think we could be back up threatening 460 to 470. Again, I'm Phillip Streible, just giving you a quick hit, a couple of the technicals on some of the things we're watching. Remember, do go to bluelinefutures.com. Get that 2-week trial of the Morning Express, and remember that futures and options trading does involve risk of loss. May not be suitable for all investors. Good luck, good trading. Need any information? Reach out to us. We're here for you.